Hello, so we're outside today. So I've got a tray that we're gonna make without a. I meant a plant tray, honestly, plant basket that we're gonna try making it so we don't have to put a tray below it to drain the water. So first off, I sealed it all up using tin foil and plastic wrap because I couldn't find any plastic to loop the sides or wax or anything. So yeah, first we're gonna start off by grabbing rocks from outside, and then it's pretty cold, so I'm gonna hurry. I've got a little bit of water and alcohol mixed together just to kill the germs off the rock, and I'm going to do this with all the rocks, but for now I'm just going to demonstrate because I just can't really do it very fast with the camera in my hand. I'm going to throw all these in, get them all wet, clean off a little bit of the dirt, it doesn't need to be cleaned off because alcohol will kill the germs anyway. Just plop them in there. So basically what this is doing is making it so then there's somewhere for it to, for the water to drain with a little bit less dirt, since it can't really grow too much. And you're going to want to find small rocks. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Yep, that'll be that for a little bit. I'm going to fill this up and then we'll go to the next part of the video. Put enough rocks in the bottom. Maybe let the water drain. Important to make sure you're using alcohol with the water. Mix it in pretty good. So yeah, that should be pretty good for that. Next part, gonna want to go in here. Okay. Yeah, here we go. So we got some peat moss in here. Next part, we're gonna fill this up with soil. So yeah, be sure to pat that down. Make sure the rocks are clean. Make sure there's no biodegradable stuff in here, like plant leaves or anything. Make sure it's clean. Make sure you have alcohol. Make sure there's no germs on them, because that could prevent rot. And make sure you're using the soil that doesn't have germs in them. Because, you can't use outside soil unless it's very sterilized. So that's why I'm using peat moss. It's very cheap. You can buy a big bag for pretty cheap. So I'm just going to fill that up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got that filled up. All nice. I'm going to put a little perlite on top of it just to the soil. I put some down beneath it, too. I'm going to mix it in later. But next, we're going to put plants in it. Okay, so there it is, complete. We got some lucky bamboo in there. I've got pothos on both sides, 2 spider plants, and then 1 flower growing in the middle. As you can see, there's no holder thing in the bottom, which is perfect, exactly what we wanted. And thank you for watching. Like the video and subscribe.